Open the glove box. Remove the damper cord from the glove box. Push in on the stoppers to release them from the glove box. Lower the glove box. Unclip the tab and slide the housing door to the left to remove it. Remove the old filter and clean out any debris inside the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. To reinstall the housing door, hook the right side into its catch, then reclip the tabs. Reinstall the damper cord Raise the glove box and reinstall the stoppers. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.